Hi, so I got a question about how to move something that you have written in Google Docs and put it into the assignments in Laulima. So I'm going to briefly show you that. So if you start here with Google Docs, so let's say you wrote out some answers to some questions, what you can do is with your mouse you can highlight everything, or there's also another short trick on most PCs. You can do Control A and that'll select everything. So highlight all of your answers, and then I usually just use the shortcut keys Control C. You can also use a mouse and do Control Copy. So copy your answers like that. Go into Laulima, and we'll go into our weekly lessons. This is week 1, so here we go with the kick-ass questions. And if I were to answer it, then you just put your cursor here, and the keyboard shortcut is Control P, but you can also right click with your mouse and paste. And it didn't work. Let's try it again. I've noticed I've had this problem using when I'm recording. So let me try it again, and I've noticed if I just keep trying it, usually it will work eventually. So there we go, it worked that way. And I was using the Control V, the shortcuts. So then you just can copy and paste it, and then you would push submit when you were ready. So I hope that answers your question on how that works.